Welcome, I am your host Luca, and today we are going to make a beautiful fried chicken sandwich. Delicious, fantastic fried chicken sandwich. So if you're excited, want to know how to make it, just keep on watching. This is Cooking at Home with Luca.
Start by filling a bowl with buttermilk and adding your chicken and letting it marinate for 3 hours, and if possible, do this the night before. Time to season your flour. Start by adding Italian seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, some chicken spice, smoked paprika, a pinch of salt, and some chili powder. Go ahead and mix it up thoroughly, and this is what will coat your chicken to that fantastic, beautiful taste.
Alright, so we got our flour nice and seasoned, ready to go. So our step now is to take the chicken out of the buttermilk. We're going to toss it in the flour, get it ready to get it in the fryer. Fantastic, delicious. Got a little helper with me today, so I'm going to do one, show him how it's done. Then we'll get the little guy to do one. Alright, let's get rolling. Alright, so you take the chicken, one hand, right? And you put it in here, okay? Flip it. Nice and coated on there, okay? Then we go back into the milk, okay? And we come back in here one more time. Right, then you use your dry hand here. Get more flour on there, okay? Your wet hand, turn it around. Throw some more flour on there. Right? And now we set it aside. And it's ready to go. Alright, so let's give it a shot. I'll rinse my hands while you do that. There you go, flip it. Nice. Alright, now let it go back into the milk. Easy, easy. There you go. Yeah, with the dry hand, get it all over nice. No, yeah. Flip it. Get it all over everywhere. Nice. Alright, now put it on the plate. There we go. Alright, chicken's ready. Next step, we're going to throw it in the fryer, set up our sandwich, and we'll have some beautiful fried chicken sandwich. Fantastically delicious. I'm Mr. Fantastic here with my little helper. We're going to get this dish ready to go. Almost time to eat. Beautiful. Keep on watching. Don't miss it. You're going to miss out if you turn that channel. Alright, now that we've got them fried, next step is what I like to do is I like to finish them in the oven for about 10 minutes. I had them in the fryer for about 5-6 minutes. We're going to throw them in the oven for 10. Cooking times are going to vary. It all depends on the thickness of your chicken. So you need to monitor that yourself when making them. You want an internal temperature of about 165 Fahrenheit. So right now I've already lightly seasoned them with a little bit of salt and black pepper. And we're going to fire them in the oven, 10 minutes, take them out, make our sandwich, and it's ready time to eat. Fantastic, delicious, you'll love it. Stay tuned for the finished product. There you have a beautiful, delicious fried chicken sandwich. It's fantastic. It's delicious. You'll love it. I'm Luca. This is Cooking at Home with Luca. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you get alerted when I upload new and fantastic recipes just like this delicious, fantastic one here. Until next time, tutta tavola a mangiare. Ciao.